Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another PHP program. Also I will provide solution for this PHP problem. So you know that this is a chapter number 4 previous lecture source code problem and the solution you can see there. So this is a third number problem in which we will get a string from user and a substring from user. We will find position of substring from a main string that is taken from user. Now I want to save this file in same folder. Chapter number 4 is a problem number 3, and then you have to get a HTML basic structure, and then this is a chapter chapter 04, and this is a problem number 3. Now what I have to next do, I have to get a PHP tag. So in PHP tag, what I have to do here, I have to get a string from user at first. You know that in previous classes we have already discussed how you can get data from user in HTML. Using HTML form we can get data from user. Method will be a get method. You can ignore this one. By default it will be a get method. Inside form, this is the input field, so I will get a string. Name attribute value will be, for example, str string, and then input type submit button I want to get to. When you press this submit button, string will be read to us. So another field I have to create to substring for substring, because I have to get a main string, and then I have to write here place holder main string. Another you can write here, this will be a substring. Now save this file and just open the browser. This is actually problem 2. Now I want to check problem 3. You can see that main string and substring. Just I want to cut this one and paste here. Actually I have to paste this form inside the body tag. Now refresh this one. Main string you have to give, and substring where you want to find its position. So its position will be returned in the form of index number. Index number you will get. In PHP, what you have to do, I have to use a method if is set method. So is set method take a, for example, a get variable. I want to say that when this button is pressed, its name attribute value is sub. When this button is active, means when this button is set or pressed, then what I have to, using get variable and its name attribute value is str. I want to store in a, because this is coming from this field. This will be a main string. This will be a main string, and then store that string at this variable. And I want to say that substring will be taken from this name attribute value. And then what I want to do, I want display here main string is this one. Which one? This one, main string, and then echo, and then br. I can write here a substring. This will be a substring. Now just check whether it is working fine or not. Faisal Zamir substring submit. Main string is Faisal Zamir, and substring this one. Now I want to find position of substring from a main string. So there is a method you can use, for example str position. Str position, here you have to provide a main string, this is a main string, and then next argument will be a substring, so it will return a position of substring, that will be a store in a variable position echo pos. Now refresh the browser. 7 is displaying here because this is a 0 1 2 3 4 5 space 6, and this starting character have a 7, that is why 7 is displaying here. I want to give another example. For example, main string is how are you, substring is you. For example, submit 8 is displaying here. Why? 0 1 2 3 एक 2 मिनट वो पूरी थी बना ली है वीडियो ना वो ओके सो ओके दी इस टाइम बननी है वीडियो देखूं sure 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so its position is displaying here. You can also format this one. For example, position of that substring is this one. You can get more exercises to improve your PHP programming skill. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.